Hey man, how's it going?
How you doing?
Not much. I'm about to just cook up in the parking lot, make like an egg sandwich. You want one?
I'm good, man. I just ate actually.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, thank you. I
Man.
appreciate it, man.
Nah, I was out here cooking chicken yesterday, and I was like waving people down. Just anyone passing by, I was like, "Who wants some chicken?" And it's like I don't think many people are gonna eat like random parking lot chicken from a.
Well, you never know. There's a lot of homeless people around here, man.
Yeah, I know. I mean, like, do you know anyone that you know I could pull up on and give them some food? Because I'm just trying to cook up some eggs and
Yeah.
make an egg
If
sandwich.
you want to give it to me, man, I'll distribute it to somebody.
You distribute it.
Yeah, well, I'll give it to somebody.
I got you. You want me to put it in like a baggie or something?
Yeah,
I think.
that'll work.
Yeah. All right. Bet.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
know
Bet.
all the homeless people right here, so I'll hook somebody up.
All right. Sounds good. Sounds good.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Should I move my car? I'm gonna move my car closer. All right, it's time to cook for the homeless guys. We're doing good deeds today. Get our Coleman Camp stove out. It's a windy one today, guys. It's a windy one. Got our baggie. All right, chat. It is super windy today, so we're gonna have to cook like that. The egg sandwich is almost done. All right, guys. We're almost done cooking up the sandwich for my buddy over there, and now we're gonna bag it up for him, give him some paper towels and all that good stuff, and hopefully send him on his way with a full stomach. All right, chat. About to go deliver the eggs, Sammy. All right, man. We got the sandwich.
Yeah, dude. Just take it, dude. I appreciate that, man. It's very cool of you, dude. What are you doing?
Bro.
Traveling around or something?
I live in my car, and I just do traveling like all around the country, and just do like some social media stuff with it too. And
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Man.
You want to check out the setup real quick?
My name's Larry. I'll walk over there.
Yeah,
Let me grab my stuff.
of course.
Where do you come from originally?
I'm born in California, but I was raised in Indiana. But like, this is how I do all my cooking on the propane stove.
Yeah.
And keep all the food in my trunk. I got like a cooler, and then like all my stuff, my shower bag for like showering at Planet Fitness.
Yeah.
And then let me show you the bed, because I took out my passenger seat and my back seat so that I could like sleep in it comfortably, because I'm like 6'2", you know.
Yeah.
So getting in a car is pretty cramped.
Yeah, I hear you, man.
But as you can see, it's like it's all the way. Oh, not the pillow on the ground. But yeah, we got the full thing right here.
Hell yeah, that don't look too bad at all, man.
Sleeping bag, because it gets pretty cold, you know.
Yeah, it does. The cops don't mess with you?
Cracker Barrels are like the best place to sleep, because they let you go overnight, and then like if you sleep at a Walmart, the cops will come get you.
Yeah, nowadays they will. You didn't used to be that way, but
like now, I mean, around here they're usually pretty chill. Like I've stayed at the McDonald's, I haven't stayed at the Walmart yet. I stayed at the Hooters. Cracker Barrel every night though, because if you ever seen a Cracker Barrel parking lot, they got like RVs and a bunch of shit there.
Yeah.
So like that's where everyone goes to sleep at night, and it's like
you'll see people doing it along this road right here too.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's everywhere. There's a campground right there.
I need to go stay there one night at least.
They're hard to get booked in there though.
Yeah. How much is it a night? You know, it's probably like $70.
Yeah, it wasn't that cheap.
Okay.
It was like 20 something, maybe 27.
$27?
Maybe.
Okay, that's not bad.
They're nice campgrounds though, man.
That's not bad.
Bathrooms, showers, everything.
Facts. I just do Planet Fitness. I pay $20 a month for the black card, so that you can use like all of them wherever I go. So like I'm going to Miami soon, so.
Oh, you'll like that.
Yeah.
Miami was tight. I liked it there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, that warm weather, bro. That's why I'm trying to go to the warm weather.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
It's coming, man. It's coming. It'll be here soon.
Facts.
But I'm going to go take this to somebody.
Yeah.
My name's Larry, by the way.
Larry, nice to meet you, brother.
Right, man.
Nice to meet you.
You take it easy, brother.
Yeah, of course. Hey, if you know anyone, that needs some food, like I usually cook around here around like 5 or 6, like every day. I'm usually cooking dinner like right here. So
okay, I'll tell
just
people,
like
man.
tell them like, hey, go hang out by the Bells, and some dude might pull up and give you some like freshly cooked food.
All right, cool. Hell yeah, dude. That's cool of you, man.
Yeah. All right, Larry.
All right, be safe, dude.
Yeah, you too. God bless. Marcus, would you ever do some? No, bro, I just dropped the whole sandwich on the ground. No. Chat, that's my last egg. No. Someone clip this, bro. No. Just dropped the whole sandwich on the ground. No. I haven't ate anything today. That's my last egg. Should we eat it? Should we eat it, chat? How's it going, man?
Yeah, it's going, dude. I don't know how sometimes.
So what?
I said I don't know how sometimes.
Yep.
It just keeps going.
What you eating on?
Some jerky.
Some jerky?
Yeah.
I got some chicken in the back of my car in my cooler if you want a couple pieces of chicken.
I won't argue with you.
Yeah? All right.
Yeah,
I mean, I don't have like a plate or anything. I put it in a baggie for you. And then I use the microwave in there when I heat up my food.
I will not argue with you, brother.
What's this guy's name? Or girl, probably.
Axel.
Axel? So
Yeah,
it's a
he's
guy.
good.
What's good?
He's a good boy. I just
Hit.
got him back today. We're camping, unfortunately, and I've had to have somebody else hold him. All the homeless people out here stole everything. I did 11 days in jail, and they stole everything.
Oh.
$1,000 worth of clothes and tools.
Damn.
Yeah. I tore my tent all to hell.
Where do you guys normally stay? Because like I'm doing the car camping type of deal, so I sleep in the car.
We were out there on
Hey.
you know, right there on the corner of
Yeah.
there's woods, that like little alley right there across from the park.
Yeah.
Of course, everybody's been trespassed from that, but that's where we were camping. My ex and I and him, and
So they locked it. They locked it down basically, or they just come
Yeah.
through and tear it down every once in a while.
they just came through, and anybody that caught out there, they trespassed.
Damn.
But I never got trespassed. They never bothered me. I did 11 days in jail though, and
What for? Just for like
petty theft.
petty
Walmart.
thefts?
Yeah.
What'd you take?
I took a tire and an inner tube because I was trying to get
For
to
the
Fort
bike?
Walton. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I was trying to get to Fort Walton to see my mom. She'd come down for vacation,
Yeah.
and I didn't have the means to do it, man. I had to see my mom.
Yeah, I feel that. And you can't walk on that bridge, can you? Or will they to get to Fort Walton? You can walk on that?
The Sunpass Bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah. I bike rode. I rode my bike across there.
Oh,
You don't
well,
have to pay either if you walk or ride a bike.
yeah. What's your name, man?
Andy.
Andy? Mike?
Randy.
Oh, Randy.
Yes, sir.
My bad. Like Randy Marsh.
Yeah.
You going to South Park?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love South Park.
All right. I'm going to grab you some chicken. I'll put it in a baggie. Of course. L dropped Randy's egg. Oh, God, I dropped Randy's egg. He would have had a nice hot Sammy. Look at all this chicken we got. We got so much extra chicken, bro. All right. I'm gonna put the fork in there too. This feels good, chat. We'll give this piece to Axel. All right, man. I promise it's not burnt. I just sauteed the shit out of it. It's really good chicken. But can I actually eat this piece? You don't mind?
Yep.
All right, Axel. There you go, pup. It's good. Oh, it's good chicken.
Yeah, man. I'm trying to get out of this situation, man. I've been in it for a long time, man. 7 years. And,
7 years.
7 years, dude.
Wow.
I fought her tooth and nail, man. 7 years.
You're still here though, brother. Still pushing every day. I bet this guy keeps good company though.
I just got him back today.
Yeah.
I needed him.
Yeah,
He's the only one that pulls me through.
He's a blessing, ain't he?
Yeah. He's gonna pull me through.
All right, man. Keep on pushing. God bless. I'm about to get some ice and then I'm about to roll out of here. But it was nice meeting you, bro.
Nice meeting you, man. Thank
Of course. Hey, you too. I still haven't ate today, bro.